Hello, let's color the animals. We can use all different colors. Whoa. You can use all different colors to color the animals. Purple, pink, red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Let's first write your name. What's your name? My name is Darren. So I'm going to write Darren. My name, Darren. Next, let's color. Did you write your name? Write your name, and then let's color the animals. First, can you find a cat? Can you find the cat? Let's see. Cat. Let's color the cat. Let's use yellow. Let's color the cat yellow. Where's the cat? Cat. Yellow cat. Yellow cat. Let's color the cat yellow. Color the cat yellow. Okay. Great. Next, let's use green. Green, 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 green. Let's use green. Let's color the bear green. Can you find the bear? Let's color the bear green. Green, 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 green. Color the bear green. Here we go. Nice green bear. Is that funny? Green bear. Okay, green bear. Next, let's get, do you have purple? Can you find purple? Purple, 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 purple. Where is purple? Purple. Okay, let's color the rabbit. Rabbit. Let's color the rabbit purple. Purple rabbit, purple rabbit. Purple rabbit. I think this is too dark. I'm going to use a lighter purple. Purple rabbit. There we go. Nice purple rabbit. Color the rabbit purple. Purple rabbit, purple rabbit. Maybe this rabbit should have a white tail. And let's use red. Red. Can you find red? Where's red? Red. Great. Okay. Let's color the small dog red. Let's color the small dog red. Can you find the small dog? Small dog, small dog. That's a big dog. Small dog. Okay, color the small dog red. Do, 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 do. Red dog. This is a small red dog. Small red dog. Ooh, nice small red dog. Okay, let's use light blue. Where's light blue? Light blue, light blue. Let's color the elephant. Light blue. Elephant, elephant, elephant. Color the elephant light blue. Elephant. Let's color this elephant light blue. Do you have light blue? Light blue elephant. Or you can use blue if you don't have light blue. Blue is okay. Blue or light blue. Maybe I'll make this elephant's body light blue. And his ears, dark blue. Ears, dark blue ears. And a light blue elephant. This light blue elephant with dark blue ears. Color the elephant. Nice light blue elephant. Next. Can you find orange? Orange, 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 orange. Let's use orange. Let's color the horse orange. Do you have orange? Can you find the horse? Wait a minute, this dog's not red anymore. There we go. Now where's that horse? Can you find the horse? Horse. That's a giraffe. Shark. Dog. Horse. Let's color the horse orange. Orange horse. Orange horse. That's a nice orange. It's kind of brown. What a nice orange. Orange horse. Orange horse. Can you say it? Repeat. Orange horse. Orange horse. Great. Let's see what animals we have. We have orange horse. Let's repeat. Orange horse. Orange horse. Green bear. Green bear. Light blue elephant. Light blue elephant. Red dog. Red dog. Purple rabbit. Purple rabbit. Yellow cat. Yellow cat. Okay, next color. Next color. Let's use, how about pink? Let's use pink. Pink, pink, pink. Pink. And let's color the shark pink. Let's make a pink shark. Pink shark. Okay, pink shark. This looks like purple. I want something a little more pink. Pink shark. Pink shark. Let's repeat. Pink shark. Pink shark. Good. All right. And let's make the giraffe. Make the giraffe. What color should we make that giraffe? Dark green. Dark green. Let's repeat. Dark green giraffe. Dark green giraffe. Dark green. Dark green. Ooh, it's a dark green giraffe. Maybe I'm going to make different colored spots. I'll make the spots a different color, but this is dark green. Dark green giraffe. Dark green giraffe. Dark green giraffe. And maybe orange spots. Oh, orange. This is funny. Why is that orange so dirty? There. Nice orange spots. Orange spots. Orange spots. I'm going to put orange spots on this cat. Orange spots. Orange spots. I'm putting orange spots on this cat. Orange spots. You can do that if you want. You don't have to. Orange spots. Okay, so we have pink shark. Pink shark. We have yellow cat. Yellow cat. And a dark green giraffe. Dark green giraffe. How about this dog? How about gray? Let's make it a gray dog. Can you find gray? Not green, gray, like this. Gray dog. Gray dog. I'm just going to color it very quickly. Gray dog. But I'm going to make red tongue. Red tongue. Okay. That's finished. Finished means owari. Finished. You can color more if you want to. Good job. All done. Yay. Finished. See you.